which term is independent of x? If in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n into 1 plus 1 by x whole to the power n, the term independent of x is, which of the following 4 options is correct? Now let us assume n equal to 1. Now putting n equal to 1, we get 1 plus x to the power 1 into 1 plus 1 by x to the power 1, which gives 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1 by x, that is 2 plus x plus 1 by x. So the term independent of x is 2. Now put n equal to 1 in the following 3 options, and if we put n equal to 1 in the option C, we get C0 square plus C1 square, and which gives C0 square. C0 means 1, that is 1 square, and C1 means C1, that means 1 C1. So 1 square, that is 2. So C is the right answer.